Anything? Yes, any mention? Fast, fast.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 14, Lordship. Due to personal difficulties, Lordship. Up to 2 weeks, Lordship.
Is that school teacher's case?
Yes, Lordship. So, Your Lordship, I'm waiting for the private respondent number 5 and 6.
On pre-made by the petitioner. This is matter up to 2 weeks.
Lordship, similar prayer for item number 8, Lordship. 18, Lordship. Yes. Yes, sir.
Was this matter heard?
No.
It's an appeal, criminal appeal. Yes. 2022. So 2 years of maybe about 2 years or 2 years or so have passed. If the appellant is innocent and can be acquitted, then you've wasted 2 years. On pre-made by the appellant, this is matter up to 3 weeks.
Thank you, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12 and 13. Lordship, I pray that this matter come up after 1 week, Your Lordship.
Lord, I have no objections.
This is also again 2020 matter.
Yes, Lordship. This matter pertains to prolonged suspension, Your Lordship.
Exactly.
Yes, Lordship.
Your stand is that they have been suspended. They say that they have not been. Please ensure that these old cases should be.
Yes, Lordship.
You should make an effort to get it disposed.
1 week, Your Lordship.
On pre-made by the petitioner, this is not up to 1 week.
Bless you, Lordship.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, we are yet to receive instruction and documents from the petitioner, Your Lordship. Kindly 3 weeks' time may be granted, Your Lordship.
On pre-made by the petitioner, this is not up to 3 weeks.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15, Your Lordship. I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
15.
15, Your Lordship.
No objections, madam.
On pre-made by the petitioner, this is not up to 3 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
My Lord, item number 5, the hearing is concluded, my Lord. It's fixed for filing the synopsis, my Lord. My Lord, the synopsis is ready, my Lord. I'm praying for a 2 days' time, my Lord, next week. Item number 5, my Lord.
Let the matter be called up.
My Lord.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 21, Your Lordship. Lordship, I pray if this matter may come up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship. This is the check gate matter, my Lord.
It's pending before the division bench, my lord.
Your Lordship, that matter has already been decided, Your Lordship.
What matter?
There's setting up of parallel check gates in district council. Then
On pre-made by the petitioner, matter is adjourned. This is seen after 3 weeks.
much obliged.
Much obliged, Lordship.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16. I'm only praying that this matter may be taken up after 2 weeks. Conducting counsel Mr. SN has some personal difficulty, my lord.
4 weeks.
2 weeks, my lord.
I am for respondent number 3 to 7, your lordship.
On pre-made by the petitioner, this is matter up to 2 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 17, Your Lordship. I think this is also a matter of conviction. Yes, Your Lordship.
5 years sentence was given and they have filed revision. 5 years sentence was given and they have filed revision instead of appeal, and that is the point to be decided in this case. We are saying that they could have filed by.
Yes. They are only confining themselves to limited,
Yes.
within limited parameters.
By coming in a manner of revision. So,
On premier by the petitioner. This is matter up to 3 weeks.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22 of today's list. Your Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks' time. On the ground of personal difficulties, your
You are for petitioner.
petitioner, yes.
This
Your
is for the review petition, my lord. I am for private respondent number 7.
On premier by the petitioner. This is matter up to 3 weeks.
highly obliged.
Okay.
What else?
My lord, I beg to make a mention of item number 11. I pray if the matter can come after 2 weeks, my lord.
Okay.
You are for?
We have raised objection for so many time.
So?
So this is just a small matter regarding that diversion of the funds. So
you, why, what is your ground for?
Well, actually, the conducting counsel is on next, my lord.
Then if he's on leg in the court, he eventually by the time the matter is called up, he'll be free.
we'll take it taken up at the end of the board. So
Not 1 week, my lord. If it please, your lordship, 1 week may be given.
It's also 2020 matter. Premier by the state respondent. Not objected to by petitioner. This is matter of 1 week. And no more
Deeply
adjournment.
we believe like
My lord, a similar prayer for item number 19. We have the state. Yes, my lord. I pray the matter can come after 2 weeks, my lord.
I'm appearing on behalf of respondent 1, your lordship, no objection.
On premier by the petitioner. Not objected to by respondents. This is matter after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
From supplementary cost list, item number 1.
Please, Your Lordship, we have examined the issue as to whether the original, the bail under original jurisdiction would lie before which court, my lord. We've come across a judgment, my lord, whereby it says that insofar as the NI Act is concerned, the original jurisdiction would only lie before the special court. But in that view of the matter, my lord, I'm praying for withdrawal of this case with the liberty to approach the trial court.
There's no issue of granting you liberty because that liberty is yours.
Correct. Or
You
if that,
you can always exercise that right.
well, since I'm coming by way of my lord, the division's bench order, whereby liberty was granted to me to move a fresh bail application.
Yes, fresh
Of
bail
course.
application means, you see, fresh bail application means you appear, you go before this, the special court.
Concerned court. Well, only that observation, my lord, in terms of the division bench order, my lord, I may be allowed to move before the special court.
No observation is required, my lord. They are
Since,
aware about
my
the
lord,
law, my
I'm-
lord.
Because that, you see, you can see that the division bench order is very clear. So on the basis of,
My lord, it
or
doesn't
it's
say which court.
It doesn't say, but it is implied now.
Since I'm relying on a division
now
bench
you have,
order,
you see, now you have come before.
My lord, it's a very
you have-
innocuous observation
Now
if
you have
it,
come
if
before
your
this court
lordship,
and clarify the situation. So
even if your lordship makes it, it's a very innocuous observation, my lord. Only to the extent. The only thing is, my lord, here again, there is no change of circumstances.
it's upon the counsel for the petitioner submitted that he may be allowed to withdraw this petition with liberty to file a fresh petition before the court of competent jurisdiction. Pray allowed, petition dismissed as withdrawn.
On daily list, item number 1.
My lord, in the last occasion, Lordship has given me time to bring on record a subsequent development. I'm unable to bring on record, my lord. If Lordship gave me 2 weeks' time, my lord, we'll bring on record a subsequent development. It's a land acquisition matter, my lord.
I believe, was it submitted that the proceedings have started, or what is the?
They have issued Section 11 and Section 19 notification declaration, which challenge those action of the respondent. And during the pendency of the matter before my lord, the state has taken another step again, issuing a fresh notification. So that one we want to bring on record those subsequent notifications. That would be useful for the proceeding here. But therefore, Lordship has given me time to bring on record those development. However, unable to bring on record because of the election. So Lordship will give me 2 weeks' time. I'm sure that party will come and bring on record those development.
Mr. H.L. Sangrisu, Learned Senior Counsel, appealing for the petitioner, has submitted that in course of these proceedings, it is reliably learned that certain notifications which would affect the facts and circumstances of this case have been issued by the government. However, such notifications have not been received by the petitioners, and as such, it is prayed that some more time may be allowed for instructions to be obtained, to be received, and for necessary steps to be taken. On premier, the same is allowed. This is matter after 3 weeks. I'll give you 3 weeks' time, Mr.
Madam.
I think within that time you'll be able to.
Yes.
Please don't delay.
Yes.
There's an observation by this court that this matter is. We are only in this stage of admission.
Madam. We are sure that it will be bring on record.
Item number 2.
My lord, number 2, we have also filed the application for seeking stay of the progress of the construction of the border fencing, whereby the respondent sought time early occasion to file a response, but till date they are not yet filed.
Your Lordship, I am appealing for the respondent 1 and 2. So additional petition, I didn't get the copy, Your Lordship.
No, what is this? What is this?
Can you see my miss case number 6 of 2024? Is a border fencing. During the pendency of the matter here,
oh yes,
they have started constructing the fencing and felling the trees and digging the ground.
This is by NBCC.
My lord, I have annexed my lord, page number 13 onwards.
Who is appearing? You. Huh? In a miss case. Have you filed?
My lord.
Yes, Mr.
My lord, my lord, if other respondents are filing, or if not, my lord may consider my miss case.
Your Lordship, I didn't get the copy, Your Lordship. Miss case.
We have served copy to all.
No, we are talking about the miss case now.
Miss case.
Please, Your Lordship.
So, please.
Seek your indulgence, my lord. Some more time may be given to file our.
You are appealing for?
For the state.
State. Is the state a necessary party here?
My lord, the state is the acquiring authority.
Acquiring
and the
authority.
NPCC is the implementing agency.
Exactly. And
but
what
in the ground?
And the work that is properly carried out was done by the NPCC.
Yes, NPCC. They are in the ground.
They have filed their counter.
They have filed, my lord. So at
that
this
would be
stage, Your Lordship may consider my miss case also.
That would be sufficient.
Yes.
Of course, if you wish to, but then we're just prolonging the matter.
Right. Otherwise, I'll take only 5 minutes to place my case regarding the missed case.
A copy may be given to me so that I can refer this.
The union of India.
How come
We have
he
served
has not-
copy earlier.
How come he has not received copy?
We serve without serving. How can we proceed?
Exactly.
We serve.
Yes, I didn't get the copy also because I'm appealing these matters.
Copy of the missed case.
Miss case, they didn't give the copy to me.
We will serve. We serve already.
Okay, then I'll give you time to file your counter if you want.
After 1 week, my lord. I'll serve copy to the CGSC also. Extra copy I'll serve.
Let us first deal with this main case. As far as the main case is concerned,
I need some time. You will see. Just I've sent the.
now who has filed the counter in this case?
Well, respondent number 9 only. The remaining respondent not yet filed.
8 would not file, so that leaves the union and the state.
Yes. Well,
I will send it sometime.
Me, no? Mr. Devnath Leonard CGC has submitted that the counter affidavit could not be, have not yet been prepared, and as such, the same could not be filed today. We pray that some more time may be allowed for the said counter affidavit to be filed. Similarly, Mr. Renja Leonard G. as appearing for the state respondent 3 to 7 respectively has submitted that some more time may be allowed for the counter affidavit on their behalf to be filed. On Primate, the same is allowed that the counter affidavit be filed within the next date fix. This is not after 2 weeks. Any miss case, when the matter was brought up for hearing, Mr. Devnath Leonard CGC has submitted that the respondent Union of India has not received a copy of this miss case. Copy of the petition in this miss case, to which Mr. Sangresul and Senior Counsel has submitted that he may be allowed to supply the same in course of the day. As to the counter affidavit to be filed in this case, the respondent Union of India as well as the state respondent are allowed to file their counter within the next date fix. This is matter of 2 weeks.
Item number 3.
Yes.
Well, we have received the relevant copy from the records, but with preparation of paperwork is going on. Lordship may give me 2 weeks time to complete my paperwork.
Mr. Sangresul and counsel for the senior counsel for the appellant has submitted that the paperwork could not be, have not yet been able to be prepared, and I said some more time is prayed for the same. As prayed for, let the paperwork as prayed for the same is allowed. This is matter after 3 weeks. That will give you an entire.
Yes, yes.
Please,
yes, sir.
When sufficient time is given, please
Yes,
do
yes.
it.
Well, will do. I do it.
Item number 4.
Your Lordship, I pray let this matter be taken over tomorrow.
Why?
Because my senior is on leg in courtroom number 2.
Doesn't matter. You are there. Have you brought the case there?
Yes, madam.
Yes, what do you have to say?
My lord, it appears that the petitioner. He's a habitual offender, my lord. Like, I don't,
This matter, my lord, the hearing is concluded, my lord.
So,
it's
this
fixed
is
for
this is only 5,
5 and 6, my lord.
5 and 6.
My lord. So I'm praying this matter will be taken up next week, my lord. In that by that time, my lord will file the synopsis, my lord.
Ms. R. Dutta, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the written synopsis of the argument advanced before this court could not be filed today and has sought for some more time for the same to be filed.
I'll be filing it today, Your Lordship.
You do that. Once you file, it will be on record. You will copy it to them. Accordingly, as prayed for, same as allowed. This is matter
Next week, my lord.
1 week. So that is for 6 and
5 and 6, my lord.
Same order.
7.
6, same order.
My lord. My lord, item number 7, my lord. I'm praying for some time, my lord.
These connected matters are, we have 7.
7 is a separate matter, my lord.
Okay.
5 and 6 are connected.
Ms. R. Dutta, learned counsel for the petitioner, has sought for accommodation on ground of personal difficulty as far as the learned senior counsel who is conducting the matter is concerned. On the same not being objected to by respondent, the prayer is allowed. This is matter after
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks.
Item number 8.
This matter has been heard on the last occasion, my lord. It's fixed for filing of written arguments, my lord. I can file it in the course of the day, my lord. Arguments are-
Your Lordship, I pray for further 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Fine. Let him file and you can respond to that.
No, I can just file then, my lord. I'll give you the copy today, sir.
Mr. K.C. Chigotam, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the written argument is ready and however the same could not be filed, but will be filed in course of the day. Ms. K. Gurung, learned counsel for appearing for this respondent, has submitted that the respondent may be allowed to respond to the said argument, which sometimes is prayed for. As prayed for, this matter up to 2 weeks.
Published.
Item number 10.
My lord, in the last occasion, Lordship allowed me to take a fresh step with some of the respondent. However, my lord, we need some clarification. Lordship, can you see the last order?
Yes.
Lordship directed me to take step with regard to respondent number 4, 5, 7, and 8. My lord. In fact, my lord, the respondent number 7 and 8 is part of Union of India. So Mr. Rakhal is appearing. So if Lordship allow me to take step with regard to 4 and 5, school management. My lord.
These are those Assam Rifle.
Assam Regiment.
Assam Regiment.
Assam Regiment. It's a part of the Union of India. Number 7 and 8 is part of Union of India only.
Mr. Ichal Sangresul, Learned Senior Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, has submitted that this court, by its previous order dated 15/3/2024, has directed the petitioner to take fresh steps for issuance of notice upon the respondents number 4, 5, 7, and 8 respectively. However, it appears that the respondents number 7 and 8 respectively are the Union of India, are part of the Union of India.
Yes.
Are the Union of India or are part?
My lord, at the Union of India, my lord.
Is
under the Union of India.
For which the learned CGC, Mr. Adebnat, had appeared on their behalf. This being the case, the notice, a fresh notice is not necessary as far as these respondents are concerned. Who is appearing for the Mr. Debra?
Yes, for respondent number 6.
What do you have to say?
For respondent number 6, Your Lordship.
On behalf of Mr. Rakhal Devnath, she is appearing, my friend.
She's for respondent 6.
6.
Yeah, we're talking about 7 and 8.
7 and 8. So 7 and 8 is in a part of the with this respondent number 6.
So 6, 7, and 8 is same.
Yes.
But we're appearing only for respondent number 6, Your Lordship.
Only for respondent 6, not for 7 and 8.
Only for respondent number 6, Your Lordship.
Please confirm that.
But 7 and 8, how Assam Regiment, my lord, Assam Regimental Center.
No, I think, you see, there might be some confusion there. I believe at some point of time, Mr. Debnat would say that he is appearing on their behalf.
He was, my lord, he was surprising this, my lord, that he cannot represent the management of the school.
Yes.
School authorities. Now, for example, Assam Rifle matter was also CGSE represent along with the Union of India. But like ERPS, they don't represent the school. So same thing here also, my lord. Assam Regimental Center is running the school and the society. Now, therefore, he was saying that since it is this school is run by the society, I'm not representing the management. I can only represent the Union of India. So Union of India, when we look, respondent number 7, Assam Regimental Center, Deputy Commandant, is definitely, my lord, Union of India. So he cannot say that he cannot represent.
And that has to be clarified.
But I just saw him. Where he's coming. Because we never come across Assam Rifle or the Regimental Center maintain a different, appoint different council.
Yes.
Only the CGSE represent.
But this, you see, if it is service matter, it is understood. But this involves the school, management of the school. So, which we know, you see, school is run by a society, could be consisting of personals or officers from.
That is it. That is it. That is it.
They would assume a distinct identity, vis-a-vis their official status.
Right.
whatever the case be. Mr.
Your Lordship,
Devnath?
in this case, though earlier CGS has filed this matter, but as per procedure, Your Lordship, I cannot represent without the Bakaratna from the school because it is not. I am not representing as a central government council for the school. So I have been intimate to the department source, but no response is there. So in such situation, Your Lordship, for the purpose school, Your Lordship, if they are not giving me Okalat number separately, then I cannot. As a CGC, I cannot.
Then I think you have to.
But my lord,
last
CGC is
question,
not,
Your Lordship,
let me
justice
clarify
could-
respond number 7 and 8. The school matter we understand that he cannot represent, but with regard to Assam Regimental Center and Deputy
Assam
Commandant,
Regimental Center, Your Lordship, this is different. But for the school, I cannot.
We are not talking about
school,
school.
not
Who is representing the school?
therefore, Lordship, allow me to take steps. Earlier previous CGC
4 and 5.
Yes. 4 and 5, Lordship, allow me.
Okay,
Earlier, what happened,
Fine.
when writ petition was filed, CGAC appeared for all the respondents.
Okay.
And they filed the affidavit also. Later on, after change of CGAC, President CGAC came up with a plea that he cannot represent the school. So, because of that, Lordship, allow me to take a step on the management of the school.
So,
yes.
Okay, that part is clear. Now we're talking about 7 and 8.
7 and 8, my lord, CGAC is representing.
So now he says yes, no,
Yes.
no.
For the Assam Regiment, Your Lordship, I think. So this Assam Regiment.
Please be clear, Mr. Devar, because it's recorded.
Your Lordship, this Assam Regiment Center and Deputy Commandant, this to even Union of India, then 6, 7 and 8, Your Lordship.
So you'll be,
6, 7 and 8.
You'll be representing 6, 7, 8. And that's it. Last.
And 4 and 5, Your Lordship, it is
That is
also.
okay.
We will take step.
Mr. Devnath has also submitted at the bar and has also submitted that he is indeed representing the respondent number 7 and 8 along with the respondent 6. This being the case, no further notice is required on the said respondent 7 and 8. So what else is
My
required?
lord, 4 and 5, allow me to take step.
Well, I thought to 4 and 5. Fresh note. Have you taken steps on 4 and
My
5?
lord, because of this, we have to take step with the registry, so some confusion would be there to avoid that one. We pray for this.
The Learned Senior Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that he may be allowed to take fresh steps upon the respondent 4 and 5. Allowed. Any counter file?
But only the CGAC has filed. State is not required to file that for submission of
the concerned, Lordship, if I may pray your Lordship for striking off from the party, your Lordship,
in
because
fact-
there
in
is
fact-
no relief claim against the state, your Lordship. Our role is only to provide grant and aid.
That is called they are a proper party. Now I received grant from the state government of Meghalaya. Now the management is trying to terminate the services of the petitioner. So they may not be necessary but proper party.
But you see, how would that be, connected to your service? Because
I draw salary from the government. My salary is borne by the government.
but the salary may be borne by the government, but the government is giving grant to the school.
To the school.
grant and aid is given to the school.
To the
The
school.
school in turn, disburse the salary to you. So your grievance will be against the school. How the school gets the salary is not your concern. If you can put it that way.
Lordship may strike out. Otherwise, there is no harm of being party. Where they are accountable, they are supposed to ensure that their fund given by the government is utilized properly. Not at the whims of the management of
That is for the managing committee and the school to decide, and the government to decide.
Then Lordship, managing committee will have the grievance against me, your Lordship. But so far in this case, your Lordship, because the service condition of the petitioner will be governed by under the management of the school. It is for the school.
Governed by the Meghalaya Education Act.
Well, those matter will come.
the counsel for the petitioner has also has further submitted that as far as the respondent
1 to 3, my lord.
State respondent
State
1
respondent.
to 3 respectively, though they are a proper party, however, since no specific relief is claimed against such respondent, they may be struck off from these proceedings. Accordingly, the respondent number 1, 2, and 3 respectively are hereby struck off from the proceedings. Cause title to be amended.
Highly obliged.
This is matter after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks. Obliged.